I'm going to show you how easy it is to use voice to text on a Windows computer and Full Circle TMS. Make sure your computer has a microphone and put your cursor in a text box. Hit the Windows key and the letter H to activate the on-screen microphone. Whatever you say will be converted to text. When complete, mute the on-screen microphone. As an example, in Full Circle, let's assume you have to create an important order note that is to be shared with the driver via the mobile app, or, if you broker the load, on the carrier rate confirmation dock. Select Add Stop Note, share the note with the carrier and the driver, put your cursor in the text box, and then click the Windows button and the letter H. The driver must check in at the guard shack before going to the designated dock. Go to Dock 7 for all pickups and Dock 4 for all deliveries. Driver must wear a hard hat and safety shoes before exiting their truck. Otherwise, they must remain in the truck, period. Mute the mic. Obviously, using the voice to text saved a lot of typing and time. You can now review the text that was created and edit as necessary before saving the note. This tool can also be used for any text-based input field. For example, selecting a customer during order entry or order update. California Dreamers. Places to use this feature in Full Circle TMS include order notes, like I just demonstrated, CRM notes, driver, truck, trailer, carrier notes, any input field like in the order location name I demonstrated, etc. So you can use this tool to reduce your keystrokes and save time. If you have any questions about this or any other productivity subject, please send an email to support@fullcircletms.com. If you want to subscribe to Full Circle TMS, send an email to sales@fullcircletms.com or go to our website www.fullcircletms.com and click the button that says Sign Me Up. Thanks for watching.